Alright, let's go for a little ride. Go through the house and see what's up. Alright. Okay. Alright. Guess we're not going through the house. Ooh. Oh shit! Oh my! Oh, definitely Willie is saying. Dude, this thing is fast! Yeah! Alrighty guys, there she is, 72 volt mini MotoTec, all complete. About to go on my first ride. Miguel Jr. Fucking, and yeah, see how she rips, dude. She's a beast, I'll tell you that. Let's roll. Oh, of course I'm running her in level 3. Look. Oh, here, let's peel this off for the video. Ooh, 81.7 volts. Let's go. Ripping it. Oh, weird. Probably bounce the controller real too much. Yeah, I need to get it mounted better.
Miguel, what can I get fresh for you today?
Can I get a bean rice and cheese burrito?
A bean rice and cheese burrito, okay?
Yep.
Anything else?
Light beans on it.
Light beans. Any hot sauce?
2 of each.
Alright, it's gonna be $4.11 at the window.
Thank you. Damn, this seat's uncomfortable. Super uncomfortable.